Another very important topic in 2.4 is an identity equation and a no solution equation. An identity equation is basically the variable cancels out and the number on the left is equal to the number on the right. Best way to do this is an example. Show that, or solve that 3 times 4x minus 2 is equal to 12x minus 6. So using the four-step procedure, the first thing is simplify the left-hand side. 3 times 4x is 12x, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, using the distribution property. Now, on the right-hand side, it's already fully simplified, but I'm just going to rewrite it. And at this point, you should notice that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal, hence it's an identity. However, to fully grasp it, you have to continue solving it. So I want to move my variables to one side. So I want to subtract 12x from either side. It doesn't matter because it's a smaller variable. But the 12x cancels out on the left-hand side, the 12x cancels out on the right-hand side, leaving me with then negative 6 on the left and negative 6 on the right. And since these two things are equal, there is no solving for a variable anymore since they canceled out. So since these are equal, it's a true statement and then is known as identity. Again, the variables cancel out and the two numbers end up being equal. The next one is going to be a no solution equation. And this again, the variables will cancel out. However, the numbers at the end will be different numbers. So solve 2d plus 4d minus 2 is equal to 4 plus 6d. So first step is simplifying the left-hand side. 2d plus 4d minus 8 by distributing the 4, and then I also have to combine like terms, so this gives me 6d minus 8. On the right-hand side, it's already fully simplified, so I'm just going to bring that down and rewrite it. I also changed the order because usually the variable should go first, so notice I just flipped the positions, which is the commutative property. So now that the two things are equal, or left-hand side and right-hand side are simplified, then next is to move the variable to one side. And again, it's 6d on both sides, so I cancel them out, and that's going to leave me with negative 8 on the left and 4 on the right. Now the variable canceled out, so there's no solving for it anymore, and here I get the statement negative 8 is not equal to 4. This is a false statement, and therefore there's no solution. So the difference between it is identity and no solution. Both have the variable cancel out. However, with identity, you get a true statement, and with the no solution, you get a false statement.